What's up, YouTube? Alright, I'm here today to show you guys the difference between these two wire strippers and crimpers. One is made by VIM and the other is made by Carlisle, brought to you by Napa. That's right. Alright, and the difference between the two pairs right off the bat is going to be the color in the handles and the finish. But once you bring it up closer, there are going to be some other differences. Especially the tips. Look up at the tip. They are quite differently. They both are for wires between 12 and 20 gauge. And they both have crimpers for the bare and the insulated, 12 through 20, and a little plier grip. And then also cutters here. And then I believe a difference is going to be with these. They do have a cutter in them. You can cut wire with these ones. Yeah, you can cut wire with that pair. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to strip some wire on these cutters. So we're going to go ahead and get out some wire. I want to get out some of this 16 gauge primary wire. Oh, those aren't cutters, those are little pliers. LOL. There we go. And cut them into twos. Let's go up to the 16. It's kind of hard to see. The finish makes it difficult in the light, but you saw that they cut nice. Definitely did that pretty nice there. Nice and clean. Now this pair, no problem seeing, but now you can see that. They didn't cut as good. They did not strip it. Let's see if I put it down in that one, it'll strip better. There. It just kind of depends on where you put it to cut it. Let's put it down. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. You guys saw it firsthand. Those VIMs cut better. And price difference is probably about, these are about 30 bucks. What? Yeah, these are about 30 bucks. And these are about 15. What a joke. You see that? You guys see that, right? Like, I'm surprised, guys. I am surprised. I was stoked about, but these are some nice cutters. These are nice. Let's try another test. One moment. Let's get this all cleaned up. Alright, now, what we're going to do now is we're going to crimp some wires. So let's get out some wires to strip and crimp. So let's put that on there. we're going to put this on the bare side. Whoops. Whoops-a daisies. Whoops. Didn't crimp that side down. Let's get it again. Check crimps. Let's squeeze it down. And that's in there pretty good. These things kick ass, I'll tell you what. And I will drop links in, alright? I just got a little promo thing, Amazon affiliate program thing signed up. And it's a trial, so I need you guys to help me out and click them links and buy some stuff and let me get them pennies, you know? Them pennies. Y'all know we would be doing it if it was just a couple of pennies. Look at that. These things crimp nice. Yes, they do. Now this is going to be some kind of little, I'll save that for my kit. Do something with it. Now we'll try the insulated ones. Now I've never been much of a, for these crimpers, you know. I'm not very good at my finish wiring. So we'll try this end. Put it in there. That's what she said. Go to there. Let's see, I just crimp it there. Is it good? Oh yeah, it's good. It's good. That's awesome. I'm stoked. I am stoked. What is that in there? That's why I got these out. It's going to pull that out. What the heck? It's a piece of wood. There's a piece of wood in the hole. Alright. We got that out. And I need a little bit more wire. Strip that out. Go over here. Let's get that tangled up. Insulated. Try it out. You guys see this? This is some pretty good action here. Now, I'm going to recommend both of these. Both of these are excellent. They are excellent tools. Definitely excellent tools in the trade to use. Awesome possum. Alright. Now if you like what you're seeing, let me get some likes, some subs, some comments, and even some clicks down on the Amazon store. Deuces.